we're going to download and install JDK in this video. Let's look for JDK download. I'm going to Google JDK download. So here you can see a link to Oracle site where the downloads are available. Oracle is the company behind Java. So just click here and you can see different versions available. But let's go for the LTS version of JDK. At the time of recording of this video, the LTS version is JDK 21. I'm going to click here and then I'm going to select the OS, which is Mac OS. And there are two types of installers available for Mac. It's based on the CPU chip in your Mac computer. If you have the latest Mac computers with the Apple chip of M series, M1, M2, etc., then you gotta go for ARM64 type of installer. Okay, so DMG installer user, which is very easy to install. But if you have the old Mac computers, then it should probably have an Intel processor. In that case, you have to go for this x64. Okay, in my case, it's the M series chip of Apple. So I'm going to go for ARM64 type of installer. I'm going to select DMG installer. I'm going to click here and download it. There you go. The download is complete. Now let's go for the installation. And let's double click here so that it will start installing. Again, double click here. Okay, it started already, and click continue. And it's asking for the permission to install it for all the users. Click continue. Again, click install. It's asking for your password. Just give the permission. Click install software. It's configuring the installation and copying the files. Boom, it's done. Now click close. Move the installation setup to trash. We are done. Now we need to set up Java Home. Let's see how to do that. First of all, we have to go to terminal. So in the Spotlight search, I'm going to type terminal. And now the terminal is open. And by default, the terminal is pointing to our home folder. So now let's look for a particular file here. It's .zshrc. Okay, so I'm going to list all the files available in this folder with the command ls-a. This is going to list all the files here. And here I do not have the file that I'm looking for, .zshrc. It's not available. So if it's available, we could update it, but if it is not available, you have to create one. Okay, so I'm going to create a new one here using a command touch, touch, touch .zshrc. This is the file that we're going to create. And then let's click return. And now the file got created. Now we can open the file. Okay, so let's type open .zshrc. So this is going to open the file in text edit, and here we need to enter a line here. Okay, so it's export Java Home equals here you have to specify a folder name here, usr/libexec/Java Home. So you just need to type it exactly like this here, and then let's save it. So you can just close it so that it will be saved. Now we can close the terminal. Let's open the terminal once again, and let's look for the version of Java installed, because since we have set up Java Home, then it should show you the Java version. So let's type Java -version and press return. Now you can see that the Java version installed is 21.0.2. So you're all set to proceed.